Hi, Elle here. I am in my kitchen because I'm cooking up a surprise. So I was going to surprise my husband tonight and invite his brother. It's his brother's birthday. His brother's wife and son to come over for supper. They've never been to the treehouse yet, so they get to come to the treehouse. And I wanted to keep it a surprise for my husband, but I couldn't. I think it stresses me out to try and keep a surprise, to be honest. So I just told him. He came in from his run, and I kind of told him a little early. And how funny is that keeping a surprise would maybe cause me to trigger stress hormones? Is anybody else with me? Like, I just want to share the surprise. I'm one of those people that wants to open the present when I get it. I don't want to have to wait 5 days. If whatever it is, it comes in the mail, I want to be able to open it right away. I'm very good at delaying gratification, by the way, but when it comes to surprises or something that's like hidden, I don't know what it's going to be, I can't keep the surprise. I really can't. So I'm in my kitchen. I'm in my apron. This, by the way, is my birthday apron. And I love this kitchen because it's very, oh my gosh, my friend Bob is on. And look, can you see the name of the cake? It's backwards, but it's Bob. So Pete's brother's name is Bob, or Robert, and we are going to be celebrating his birthday tonight. So again, look out for these sneaky triggers. Just keeping a surprise is something that I just kind of my realization tonight. Like, it was causing me stress to not tell my husband that I was creating this surprise dinner. So it can be sneaky things like that you wouldn't even think of. So be on the lookout, especially holiday season, for kind of little sneaky triggers that you might not expect. But while I'm here, I'm just going to share a little bit about my kitchen. Of course, a lot of the dishes are gone, but I want to show these because my viola student, who was my student for years, I passed her on now to a college professor, even though she's very young. She's very talented, and her mother is a potter. And so I purchase a lot of my dinnerware from her because I like real pottery. And I want to show you this plate because I think it's incredibly beautiful. So this is some of her work. And I never had open shelves before, so it's kind of interesting to have the open shelf thing going down. Very efficient little kitchen. I can turn this way and I'm in the fridge, and I can turn this way, I'm at the oven. Which is, I guess I have to take a few steps in the day. I enjoy being in the kitchen. I didn't used to. My husband used to do a lot of the cooking. I cooked breakfast, and then he cooked dinner every night when we were first married. And now I really love being in the kitchen, making great food. Shout out to Pamela Barton. I'm doing a lot of her meals. Actually, I'm cooking a meal of hers tonight. And she's a really great nutrition coach. So again, look out for little sneaky things like keeping a surprise that might cause you to trigger fight or flight. And my 365-day program is launched. People are buying it, and I mean, for the price, you're going to get an amazing program that keeps you in the loop every single day with pressure-free, and it gives you some of the most intense tools that I have that I share with my clients. That's going to be a part of that course. So if you want to take a look at that, go down through my feed. You will see a link. I've got to get to work now in the kitchen and finish up this meal. So wishing a beautiful, pressure-free night as we move toward the darkest, or I think of it as the most beautiful, longest night of the year. And enjoy.